Oh my goodness, guys. You know, the other day I cleaned out the chicken pen. What a mess. We're getting closer. And I scooped all of that poop into that container out there, and oh boy, I created a mess, what I did. Tasty. That's scrumptious. Now, yes sir, that is some nasty stuff right there. So I've got to go out there and clean that up. I have an idea of what I'm going to do with it, and if it doesn't work, I've got another idea. I've got plan A and plan B, but well, Brandon, Eddie, I need your solution for flies, I'm afraid. You guys come go with me. That's heavy. Oh. The only thing I know to do with this is spread it out on the yard. And I think over there is about the best place I can do that. So I'll set you guys up where you guys can watch me. But hey, look, here's chickens. Yeah, they're in pretty good shape. Probably got a lot of eggs in there. Anyway, let me set you up. You can watch me drag this thing out here, and then I'll either get a rake or I'll just get the water hose and wet it down and kind of disperse it. And then if that doesn't do the trick, I'll stop by the ag store and get a bag of ag lime, and that'll knock the flies down. So I really want to put it out here anyway for fertilizer in case I till this up for a garden. I don't think I'm going to till it up. I think I'm just going to put everything in a container this year and on a trellis. So, but anyway, I'm going to spread it out anyway. So I think it's too hot to use inside a container garden, but I could be wrong. But if I am, you guys just correct me on there. Ooh, it smells good. Not. It'll push it. I don't think it'll tear it up. It's a Rubbermaid tub. There we go. There. Now we'll see what it can do. I'll get you guys over here where you can see, but I'm just gonna dump it out and use the water hose. Clean the tub. I didn't hurt that tub. That tub will heat up. Hot summertime, it'll come right back into shape. Tasty. That's scrumptious. Now, yes sir, that is some nasty stuff right there. I'm gonna go get a rake and rake that down. I'll be right back, guys. Whew, that is so strong. Let's go ahead and drag the water hose out there as well. So we're gonna have to have it. Like I said, it shouldn't be too hard to knock down. Goodness gracious, that is some stinky stuff though. Look at that. That had a golf ball in it. I guess I threw that golf ball out there. I had one in the chicken pen. And the nest is like a egg type thing. Get them to laying. I guess why I had that in there. That or I wanted a chicken snake to swallow it. That's a possibility. Because if I spread this out and wet this down, basically dissolve it, I think we'll be better off. And we can kind of tell if it does any good with fertilizing the grass. Let you guys see more of what I'm doing here. It's nasty, I know that. I don't want to step in it. Disgustingly nasty. Should have spread that out when it was dry. Been a lot easier. Then it could have rained on it. I wouldn't have had to do all this. But I didn't get it done, did I? That is disgusting, guys. Goodness. You live and you learn. I'll wash this tub out too. And wash this rake off. It'll be disgusting, but it won't be too bad, maybe. So I can get some water down here. I got the hose kinked. There we go. This old ground doesn't need any water today, but it's gonna get some. I'm gonna get rid of this mess. To an extent, I might have made it worse, guys, but I don't think I did. I could have. Might not have been a good idea. Still gonna have some flies to it, but maybe not as bad as it was. And I'm definitely not gonna walk downstream of this water. Yeah, this might not have been a very good idea, but I really think it'll melt right in. Fertilize the ground. Be good, I think. Be real good when I get all this stuff washed out of that tub and off that rake. Might still have some flies for a few days, but if I can get it into like a liquid form, it will maybe go into the ground, most of it. But like I said, there'll probably be a good stand of grass out here if I don't burn it up with this chicken poop. Man, that's some tough smelling stuff right there. That is tough. Goodness. Wash this rake off. Definitely stay on the high ground here. Let that dry up good, and I'll run a rake across it again if I need to, spread out some more of it. But she's wet down now anyway. She's probably a little bit better than what it was. And water these old chickens while I'm out here. What are you doing, chicky chicks? Well, you guys got all kinds of feed in there, I know. I know you do. I got you scratch in a feeder, and I got you laying pellets in a feeder. Guys, you've got water. That looks a little better, guys. You know, like I said, it's laid out, and I'll run that old rake through that thing if I need to, dare to. But that ought to do pretty good. It's supposed to start raining again. I think about Thursday, Friday of this week. This is Monday, so that'll take care of a lot of that. Melt it right in the ground. But I bet the grass grows out there. We'll see. We'll see how good chicken poop is on the soil, on this kind of soil. I know it's good on some kinds of soil, but I don't know about this kind of soil.